Experiencing call issues with Red Pocket Mobile? You're not alone. Many users report problems like VoLTE failures and outgoing call failed errors. These issues often stem from network incompatibilities, software bugs, or SIM card problems. Let's tackle VoLTE first. VoLTE uses 4G LTE for clearer calls. To fix VoLTE issues, ensure it's enabled in your phone's settings, usually under cellular or mobile network. Also, verify your APN access point name settings are correct. For Verizon, the APN should be VZ-Winternet. Incorrect APN settings can lead to dropped calls during LTE handovers. Now, for outgoing call failed errors, this usually means your phone can't connect to Red Pocket's network. Check your SIM card is properly inserted. Also, ensure your Red Pocket service hasn't expired. Temporary network congestion can also cause this, especially during peak hours. If using a VPN, try disabling it, as it might interfere with your carrier data. These basic steps should resolve many common call issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your call issues, a carrier reset can refresh your network settings. This clears cached data related to APN, MMS, and VoLTE, forcing your device to re-register with the network. On Android devices, access the carrier reset through Settings, then Network and Internet. Look for options to reset network settings or your specific carrier. For iPhone users, navigate to Settings, select Cellular, and choose to reset network settings. This will clear all network configurations and require re-entering Wi-Fi passwords. Alternatively, the Red Pocket mobile app now includes an automatic carrier reset feature. This allows you to refresh network settings remotely without removing your SIM card. It's especially useful after switching devices or traveling across carrier boundaries. If call problems persist, Wi-Fi calling serves as an effective workaround, especially in areas with weak cellular signals. Enable it in your phone settings under Connections on Android or Phone Settings on iOS. Remember, Red Pocket operates as an MVNO on major networks like Verizon and AT&T. Call issues can sometimes stem from these host networks rather than Red Pocket itself. Red Pocket is working on 5G VoLTE to reduce call setup times, but 4G remains standard currently. For additional help, check the Red Pocket website or app for guided troubleshooting. If all else fails, contacting Red Pocket support may be necessary.